Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do an unboxing of Ipsy. This is my Ipsy Plus. Ipsy Plus is a $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products, and usually it bills you at the beginning of the month, and you get it pretty fast lately. I'm not sure why. But they do have 3 tiers. They have like a bag where you get 5 samples and it's like $15. Then the plus, which is that's what I have right here, it's $25. And then the ultimate, which is $50, and you're supposed to get like 8 full-size products and 4 samples. So let's just open this up and see what we got. Now I did see the bags. The bags were really cool, and this month is full bloom. So, and then it opens up and it shows you all your products. So, let me pull out this bag. This bag is like super cute. So, this is the bag for the Plus, and what I really like about it is it's got a little wooden thing. And that's kind of cute, and it does say Ipsy on it. It's just small. So, let's see what products I did get. I got... The first product is for $18.95, and it's a Fox Bay leave-in conditioning spray, which I don't know if you can tell, but my hair is really frizzy, so I do like getting my hair care products in this. The next item I got, it says they're $30, is 2 different face masks. This one says Creme de la Creme, Instant Recovering Luxury Cream Coating Face Mask, and this one is the Diamond Mask, Illuminating Luxury Bio Cellulose Face Mask. And I do like my face masks, and they come in really handy right now. I've been stressed beyond point, so can't wait to give that a try. The next item is by Tarte, and it's called Tartist, and it looks like it's an eyeliner on both ends, which I do like getting eyeliners, and it is in black. So I'm hoping one of these is like a pencil. Yes. Yes, this one's like a pencil, and then this end will probably be like a liquid pen. Yes. So I do like that. It's been a lot. I haven't put on crayon eyeliner since like the 90s when you used to burn the tips, so I will be trying that. This is $24. The next item is by Contact Skin. It's a nail polish duo in Rocket Queen and Don't Cry. Basically a red and a not red. So I'll pull it out. Oh, that Rocket Queen is gold. Okay, it's gold. It's not a nude. But that's what that is. And I do like doing my nails. I don't really do anything spectacular. I just usually just paint them. But I'm sure that they'll be nice. The retail on that is $30. I would not spend $30. I usually only spend $2 for nail polish, so that's kind of nice. The last item in here is an eyeshadow palette. It's by Shayna B. Miami. Mini Miami eyeshadow palette. So there it is. I know it's really crappy quality. I am trying to set up a camera, but at the moment I'm just using my webcam because that's easy. I do work full-time, and I do get the luxury of still working full-time, so I haven't had a whole lot of time to do unboxings or filmings, but there's that. It's kind of like a more neutral palette. I do like the flamingos in it. I am going to try one shimmer. We'll try a Port Princess. And we'll try a matte. Waynwood. We'll try those. We'll swatch those. Woohoo! So we'll swatch them right here and show you how nice they are. They're really pretty colors. It'll make a really new, nice look. I haven't really been wearing a lot of makeup. It's a little hard. A lot of stuff going on. So that is the box. Do I think it's worth $25? Yes, because you probably cannot go in a store and get an eyeshadow palette, 2 nail polishes, an eyeliner, a couple of face masks, and a leave-in hair conditioner for under $25, and you get the cool little bag. I did leave all the codes in below. I do unboxings of all kinds. I do gaming videos usually, and I am still working at trying to get my Twitch up, and I might live stream. But right now, I'm taking it one day at a time because that's what you have to do. So I hope everybody is staying healthy and staying happy. And, well, the eyeshadow palette was $20. So altogether, my box says it is worth 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, $112.95. So it says I'm supposed to have 120. Did I do my math wrong? Hold on. Let me do math real quick. Yeah, 121. 122.95. So I guess $2.95 off. But I did get over $120 value, so that's nice. But I will see you in the next video. I know they're fairly short right now, but you gotta understand I'm very, very tired and stressed. So I will see you next video, and everybody take care. I heart your face. Bye.